here to D-League because enhance lalo yung kanyang performance. Don't look now, it's up again, Rising Suns looking to mount a comeback. 41-57. Babalik po yung PBA D-League on Active.
Nagbabalik po tayo dito sa San Juan Gym para sa D-League now. During the halftime, itong si Coach Alvin Pua reminded his boys to do a better job in strengthening back on defense. Dahil ang sensation offense daw ng Blackwater ang naging storya noong first half. Now sabi niya, kailangan daw na dito in the second half ang walang katapusang defense. Sabi niya, no blinking, no let go. Now he even motivated his guys to play with pride, saying na pare-parehas na kayo ng kinakain yan kahit silang yan. Kaya huwag kayong papatapang. Back to you, Eric and Jim.
Talagang fighting words dito kay Coach Alvin Pua. Talagang motivate his boys. Ito, 41-57, 8 minutes natitira pa din sa ating third quarter. If they play college basketball, they can probably trim that to single digits.
Pero makikita mo yung attitude ni Coach Alvin Pua, yung kanyang fighting heart. Kita mo naman kahit gano'ng kalaki, kahit bilang or whatever, he challenges his players to really live up, against whoever they're going to be playing on the court. Right now, if you look all over the world, basketball is wide open.
Yeah.
Kita mo naman na, sometimes even the Spanish players, hindi sila pwede matalo ng mga NBA players.
Yeah.
But so you can see that the quality has gone up. But you also give credit to of course, the NBA American players because that's a challenge. All over the world, it's all about the team challenge. And that's what Coach Alvin Pua wants.